Let's go to our sixth question. There are dash number of players in the team of baseball. Sixth question. There are dash players. So you must find the number. Dash players. Players in each team. In each team of baseball. Baseball. So you have to find out the number. Option A, 11. Option B, 8. Option C, 9. And option D, 10. So we have to find the number, correct number. There are dash players in each team of baseball. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer 9. There are 9 players in each team of baseball. Next, the seventh question. Which one of the stadium is not in Delhi? Which one? Which one of the stadium is not in New Delhi? Is not in New Delhi. So you got to find out which one is not in New Delhi. Option A, Feroz Shah Kotla. B, Ambedkar Stadium. Ambedkar Stadium. C, National Stadium. D, Eden Gardens. Eden Garden. So you've been given 4 options. They're asking which stadium is not in New Delhi. And we learned Eden Garden alone is in Kolkata. So our answer is Feroz Kotla National Stadium, Ambedkar. They are all in New Delhi. Which stadium is not in New Delhi is option D, Eden Garden, which is in Kolkata. Let's go to our 8th question. Our 8th question says, which stadium is known for tennis? Which stadium? Which stadium is known for tennis? Your options are A, Eden Gardens, B, DLTA courts. And option C, National Stadium. National Stadium. You have 3 options to choose from, and your question is, which stadium is known for tennis? Which of this? National Stadium, Eden Garden, DLTA courts. And option B, DATA courts is the stadium for tennis. Question number 9. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is for Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is for, you have to find out which game. For your options are A, tennis, B, athletics, C, cricket, and D, polo. All right. Now, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. In this stadium, what is played? It is B option. They play athletics. For athletics. All right, that's the answer. Now, our 10th question, let's go on to our 10th question is, how many number of players are there in each team of hockey? How many? How many number of? How many number of players? How many number of players? How many number of players are there? Are there in each team of hockey? Team of hockey. And option A 11, option B 4, option C 6, and option D 9. Okay, how many number of players are there and in each team of hockey? And what is the answer? In hockey you need 11 number of players in each team. Let's look at all our 5 questions that we have done. 6th one, there are dash players in each team of baseball. You need 9 players in a team of baseball. Which one of the stadium is not in New Delhi? Eden Gardens is not in New Delhi. Others are all in New Delhi. Eden Garden is at Kolkata. Which stadium is known for tennis? DLTA court is known for tennis. Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium is for athletics only. How many number of players are there in each team of hockey? There are 11 number of players in each team of hockey.